everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Annie. Today I'll be reviewing the new camera I bought for my vlogs, which is this Sony ZV-1 digital camera. It is called to specifically for content creators because it's really good at focusing on your face, the objects, and providing lighting even at the dark place. Also, it has a mic with the camera, so it catches your voice even when you're outside. We're going to test out all these features while I vlog today and see if these features are really benefiting me or is there anything that I don't like about the camera. If you're interested in learning more about Sony ZV-1 camera or you're thinking about getting a new camera during Thanksgiving or Black Friday, please keep watching. A quick OOTD, I am wearing a black leather jacket I got from W Concept, which is super comfy, and then the sweater inside is a brown/olive color sweater I got from Mason Kidzoon. I'm wearing off-white pants and then the sneakers. This bag is also from JW Pay. I really like their bag. Really good price and good quality, and it goes well with everything. So yeah, let's go out. I'm outside right now, wearing my mask, bringing my new camera. It looks really nice. I don't know if you can see if it's shaky, but from my end it looks really nice. The thing I complain about my old camera is that I used to film with my picture camera, so it never focuses when I'm outside. But I guess this camera focuses pretty well. And then I don't know if you guys can hear me clear. I have their original mic on, so hopefully it doesn't sound too fuzzy. Another thing that I really liked about this camera is that it doesn't shake. So there's a feature or function of this camera is that you can set up a steady shot, so even when you move rapidly it still focuses well. But I already realized one downside of this camera, which is the battery goes really fast. I have been only outside for like 10 minutes. There's already 1/4 of the battery's gone. It does really lighten up when I'm at a darker place. This is pretty cool. And then it doesn't lose the focus even it's dark. We're here. Guggenheim. It's my first time visiting here. Can't believe. Been here for 3 years, never visited Guggenheim. So pretty. That's such a bummer. They need reservation and I didn't reserve any tickets, so I couldn't get in today. They're fully booked for a walk up. I actually just got a ticket for next Saturday, and I guess I'll see you next Saturday. Oh my god, this is so pretty. You feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Heading to West Village. Can't believe I'm going from Upper East to Lower West to meet up with my friend. But I'm glad I'm in Central Park right now because this is literally the best season of Central Park. So much of fall season feeling and vibes here. People are walking their dogs, jogging, everything. Feels really nice. You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine. Alright, we are on the west side. I'm gonna go to 87. actually to take train CND and go to West Village.
Just let me show you everywhere I've been. Travel the world, still I miss my friend.
I'm at the West Village and I'm about to meet up with my friend Frida. People are still doing outdoor dining. It's pretty chilly right now. It is 6:30 p.m. and I'm walking home. So I'm actually testing the night mode of this camera right now. See if it's still really clear and bright at night. Times Square. Hello everyone, I'm back home. So as I predicted, the camera died before I actually got home and I didn't really get to test the mic, but I can probably test it now at home to see if there is a real difference between with the mic and without the mic. Okay, so I just took off the mic. It looks like this. And then what you're hearing right now is without a mic. I'm not sure if there's a real difference because I'm actually indoors, so there's not much noise. So I can't really say much about the mic because I haven't really heard the audio about the videos I took, but I'll hopefully review them after I'm done with filming. Based on my experience today vlogging in the city, I would say out of 5 stars, I would give this camera a 4 star. First of all, it did solve most of my problems with my previous picture camera, which is the camera was not good at focusing at my face. And it was really shaky when I was holding camera outdoor. Lighting wasn't good, especially at night. So with this camera, it focuses very well, and there is an option in the camera where you can choose you defocus the background, so you can see the background is pretty blurry and all the focus is on my face. Or you can choose focus on the whole frame. I really like this feature. And then the second thing is that I really like the lighting at night. It still focuses well and it would brighten up, especially at the dark place. So the filming experience was really good and comfortable for me. And thirdly, it has this steady shot feature that I mentioned earlier, where when I film and then I was walking, video can still be steady and not really shaky. The downside of the steady shot is that the frame will become smaller. Content that you could include in the film is smaller or more narrow. I think the only thing I'm not really happy with this camera is that the battery life is super short. I would say if you keep filming, the battery probably will run out within an hour. I have to constantly charge a camera, otherwise it would die really quickly. So for example, today I didn't really keep the camera on, but my camera died like within 3 hours. Because of that, I'll probably get another battery, so as a plan B. So if this battery died, I could have another battery to back up. So with this camera, there's actually this controller or holder with the camera that you can purchase as a combo. I got this holder. It's actually really convenient that you can attach to your camera, and then you can use these buttons like picture and then a movie and to start filming your movie, and then picture to take picture for yourself. You can also use the C1 button, which is to choose focus on your background or defocus on your background. So, and you can also adjust your camera. Press on it, you can move it up and down to adjust your camera position, which is pretty handy. Yeah, that's pretty much my review of this camera. Overall, I really like it, and I think it was a good deal. I got it at Best Buy, and there was like $100 off going on right now. I guess it's because it's the shopping season. But I hope this review video is helpful for people who wanted to get a camera, especially for content creators who are thinking to get a camera for vlogging or taking a lot of videos. So far, I really love this camera. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below to let me know if you have any questions regarding this camera. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!